There you go. And there's a bottom one, which are these. So the tricky bit is this. This. It's the worst bit. Oh man, it's so tricky. So tricky. Great. That's it. Slowly. You don't really want to. There you go. There you go. Don't want to push it from the front that much. There you go, done. Oof, good. That's good. These two, which I think were these two. I know one was. Oh no. Wait for this, isn't it? Let me check. Yes, there was a screw here. That's the big one. I can feel it. Didn't go in right. That's annoying, isn't it? Don't know what that is. This here, don't know. Fell off the front, I think. I don't know. Doesn't look like it's affecting it, so don't worry about it. Alright, so that goes on with two, which is them two. Let's just do these at the bottom, which is them two. That means we've got two left, two at the side. Where the bloody hell do they go? Oh, okay. Let's just try it then. Let me check. Two for the top, and I got two underneath, which I think are them two. I've got two at the side. These two, which are them two. That means I've got two bloody extra. Where do they go? That's weird. Might have to watch the video. Yeah, I might have to watch the video. I thought two. I know one's there, one's there. Is that with that on? Oh, it must be. Must be. Because there is nothing else. Yeah. So put that in first. At the top. Actually, no, sorry. I think it's the other way around. Front in first, obviously. Just gentle with that wire. Push that there. Come on, there you go. And there. There's two snaps there. Oh yeah, I know where them two go. They go on the front there. I'm an idiot. One clip, two clip, three clip, four. Done. Done. That's the bottom one. I think that's it. Let's just do these. I'm going to do these for them. See if they're the right ones. Oh yeah, they seem to be the long ones. Come on. One there, remember? That should be it. that's not in yet. Okay, so that one's there. So we'll just push that out. Can't do that one yet. That's what you're doing it out of order, wiener. Can you push them out? Yeah, there you go. Let's put this on them. So it goes top first, pretty sure. Yeah, top first. Clip, clip, clip. Big clip here. Come on. Come on. There we are. There we are. So I bloody knew I was too. Oh no. Not too sure. Do these long ones go in here? I reckon so. Oh. So the long ones go here. Just check that opens. Yeah. Because last time it didn't. Now we can put the other long one in here. And we got two more and we're done. Pretty easy, eh? So now you know how to modify a Panasonic V100 to take the infrared filter off. Oh, I've got some footage, so I'll show you what it's like if before and after. Well, you know what it's like before. I'll put some footage on for after. There you go. Right, let's just triple check again. Come on, your noggin. Right way out would help. Oh, so sometimes it does that. Just got to reopen it with a. That opens and closes it. The shutter. There you go. Zoom works. Yeah, perfect. Just record something just to check. Yeah. Actually, I'm just going to check that microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Stop that. Just to check. Go into view. Do you know what? I'm not even sure. How do you flip and play it back? Oh yeah, of course, it's there. Sorry, it's because I've got two of these. Just checking the audio. Testing, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Boom. That's it. Brilliant. Thanks for watching.